This morning was pretty mundane, but this afternoon is going to be an adventure. So this morning we were actually striving to have a normal day. You know, we're still looking every single day, trying to find the right RV to put on this property, possibly right here actually, to live in while we get the mold out of our house and then gut our house, renovate our house. But we're trying to have a normal day today, a school day, a day where we get some stuff done around here.
I got 3 matches and these are remember one of them. That's my spot.
What'd you get? Lowercase e. We did a lot of reading, which is my favorite part, reading out loud. Joy did her reading lesson. She has a tutor because that's the best way for her. And then Grace is working on a paper that she's writing. And the boys are coloring dragons because we read a story about dragons. So really everyone's kind of just taking a break right now because we're eating lunch.
Looks like he just woke up.
He did. We're really just kind of refreshing our minds right now for a few other subjects.
We read the dragon story.
We read the dragon story.
Did you enjoy the dragon story?
Pick it out.
Picked it up. All right, it's back to mowing. Gonna try to knock out a little more before lunchtime. Now we're taking a break from work. It may be the end of our work day. I'm not sure yet. It's almost 5 o'clock. And the adventures, kind of the fun stuff I've been planning, are starting. We're picking the giant pumpkin today. As you can see behind me, the pumpkin plants have pretty much died down, leaving honestly just a handful of pumpkins, but we've got one really big one. We're picking it right now.
That kind of truck and you put the giant pumpkin in the pack.
Put it in the truck. That's a good
Yeah,
idea.
and strap it on.
All right, guys, let's grab this pumpkin.
I'll put my... You have a knife? Yes,
Yeah.
do you? Oh, you don't?
All right, here it is.
The giant pumpkin!
The giant pumpkin.
We may cut it with this tusk.
Well, we're not cutting it now. All right, let's get this bad boy back to the house without dropping it. All right, this is a little precarious. I've just got this baby balanced on my shoulder with this baby on my back, and we're gonna take it down to the house and weigh it because it's pretty heavy. Just trying not to drop it here. Okay, can you carry the camera? Okay, here you go.
Whoa, it's not totally orange though.
What do you think? How much do you think it weighs?
We have a scale.
Why did you pick it?
The vine was dying.
So this is Rumi's pumpkin.
Can you get it?
Oh, sorry. What if your baby was this big? Your head of the baby.
What if the
can I
head of
try?
my baby was that big?
Can I try?
Ooh, I'd have a C-section.
Hey.
I better be an elephant if the head of my baby is that big.
Ow! It's hard to pick up.
It's heavy. This is by far the biggest pumpkin we've ever grown.
Oh gosh.
Mine more than him or him more.
Trying to think, how much does a feed bag weigh? 50 pounds. That's definitely more. So I'd say 78 pounds.
Okay.
All right, how much do you weigh?
I do not weigh 209 pounds. I have a baby on my back.
So you do weigh 209
I do weigh
pounds.
I was like, there's no way that's right. But that's how much I wear him. It's like, I totally forgot.
All right. Will it break the scale? 272. So I was wrong. What did you guess?
64.
Did you?
So 63 pounds is a pretty good pumpkin for not giving any attention and throwing the seeds in the ground.
Is it our only pumpkin? First pumpkin we've ever grown successfully?
No, but it's the first big pumpkin we've ever grown.
All right, we're gonna do it this way. It may be hard because it might like roll off.
Whoa.
62.8.
Whoa.
It's your pumpkin. You grew it, sorta. You set the
I
seeds
thought
in the
she was
ground.
mine.
It was both of yours.
Yeah.
What do you want to do with it?
I want to make.
I
I want to find a way to make a giant jack-o'-lantern with it, even though it's not Halloween.
I don't even think we can use that as like a table centerpiece. It takes up the whole table. Where should we store it?
No way, not
Right there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more still out here than I thought. I thought some of them had fallen. Come on, bud. This isn't what I planned on doing this afternoon or evening, but when these guys are into an adventure, I want to try to be into it too. I know I won't regret this. Hiking up the mountain, that's what they wanted to do. Hey, look at our house down there, guys.
I can see a pole.
Way down the mountain.
Those are nail prints.
Can you find more?
There was a line of door and then look.
It's a pretty big print. You can tell the difference between a cat print and a dog print because dogs always have their toes out. You can tell it's a dog, not a cat. Cats can retract their claws and they keep their claws in when they're walking.
Yeah. Oh.
This is a coyote's print.
Let's follow the coyote.
You want to follow the coyote?
We can follow the damn ones.
Okay.
Dad, look at this one and this one.
Yeah.
I don't know this one.
You can't do that with many other trees. That's hickory. Show it.
What is it, Papa?
Yep, tighten a knot.
Don't worry, I'm
So strong and flexible. Brighton has a hickory nut here, and this is a walnut. Can you? I want you to learn to smell the difference. Smell that walnut, and then smell the hickory nut. The walnut has a very distinctive smell, right?
Strong?
Strong smell.
I know. That's what I want. Ew! I can't
You
get
got
up.
it. Well, don't say I can't. Push your way through.
Oh.
You got it. You got to push your way through. Find a path. I've long thought that this activity right here was actually really good for kids, learning to travel through woods and around brush and through brush. And I've been out in the woods sometimes with kids who didn't grow up playing in the woods, and it was interesting because they don't have these real basic problem solving things of wait, there's a huge brush patch, we have to find a way through it, or we have to go all the way around it. I've seen kids just fumble that who've never been out here, and it's funny, it's not a matter of intelligence, it's just inexperience. High five. Nice work. Good scrambling.
I wasn't
Good rambling. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to Mom.
You want to play? Let's get Brighton.
Piggy.
You love your piggy.
Fine.
Okay, camper update. I've probably spent 10 solid hours looking for a camper. We're gonna find the right one. I just want to make sure it's the right one because we're gonna buy one, not rent one. Many people have offered to give us campers through YouTube and also close friends, or to let us like borrow one, not give it to us forever.
Come on.
But we know that with 5 children, it's gonna get beat up. So we've decided to purchase one, not use one that someone's letting us borrow. Yeah, so we're gonna find the perfect, maybe not perfect, but the right one. And I've been looking, and
Mom,
just like buying cars, it's just a process. Because a lot of them, once you dig a little deeper. Okay, buddy, hold on, I'm gonna finish, okay?
4, 5, 6, 7.
War! You won, because you have a star. Okay, let me just finish this, okay? I'm gonna finish this really quick so I can play war with my 3-year-old. Yeah, and then the cool thing is that when we're done, we'll sell it and we'll make, you know, most if not all of the money back. And we'll have to probably paint it and fix it back up. But a lot of them, once you dig a little deeper, you realize they've had leaks, they've had problems, and we're just looking for that one. Just like when you're looking for a car, you know, you just look and look and look until you find the one you're like, yes, this is the one, and you go and you get it. It's a little complicated because we need one that has like a full bunkhouse in order to really provide enough space. You want to play? Enough space for our family. And there are a lot of those out there, but not as many
1,
as
2, 3, 4.
ones that don't have them.
Me.
Is it your turn? Okay, that is the camper update.
3.
Guys, thanks for joining us today for kind of a normal day. Normal, but not.
But not. It's kind of abnormal. We have a lot less like farming work on our plate right now and a lot more like logistical work. So bear with us while we, you know, we're just spending a lot of time researching right now and a lot of time talking to people on the phone, and that's kind of boring to vlog. So we're just gonna tell you about it. And we'll take you along for the fun things.
All right, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Wait, it was a great day on the homestead today. School was a little stressful today, but since I came outside, it's been better.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.